Yeah, so I might have just got another 2 subscribers there. Popped into the garage. Milk, coffee and a bun for later. Yeah, and the lady in there said, you got a camera on your helmet. I know it was a amber. Nothing coming. Naughty long walk. Right. What was I saying? Oh yeah, the lady in there said, you got a camera on your helmet. I said, yeah, I do YouTube. I'll play around on YouTube. She said, oh, what's your channel name? So I said, Lone Wolf UK. She says, oh, I'll remember to click the bell and subscribe. Thank you very much. She said, I'll tell this other lady about it. She's interested in photography. Hello. Photography and motorcycles. So I said, yeah, please do.
Get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like, oh God, here goes. I lost all feeling from my head to my toes. You said some shit that I can't let go, so just stay tuned for the rest of the show. So have you ever felt betrayed? Switches how you see things, realize